Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 18 April 2020 and 10 o'clock. This place is my hometown and in Artvin. This place name is Esanyaka. It's small village and natural and green village. My daddy is working this place, garbage works. My mommy is reading Quran, and me, I'm reading Robin Sharma and personal development. So beautiful. I wanna listen you bird songs. Shh, please be quiet and listen bird songs. Hey birds, where are you? When my daddy works, is so nervous. Yeah, so nervous. And we have a balcony. This view with this view. Yeah. My neighborhood says this place sea. Yeah, sea. Perhaps not sea, only lake. Yeah, small, not sea. Yeah, and this video. Next, see you next time, and my channel. You are subscribe. See you.